Hello, in this video I want to show you how to replace rubber seal in Whirlpool freezer. And to do this, first we'll need to remove the old rubber seal, and to do this simply you can also use a screwdriver. I'm just gonna go with my hands and simply pull on the previous rubber seal. It should come off easily, like this. And that's the old rubber seal. Now I have a new rubber seal right here, and you basically need to place it right just like that, and then use a bit of force with your fingers to stick it in. Okay, and it's done. That's how you replace rubber seal in Whirlpool and other freezers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.